Before we start anything, let's think about how we can solve this question. Here you can see the product of x over 2x plus 3 cube and sine 7x plus 3 over 2x plus 3. So we can basically use the substitution method. The next question is, what is the substitution we should use? If we use u equals x over 2x plus 3 cube, its differentiation will be 3 minus 4x over 2x plus 3 to the power of 4, which is complex for further simplification. If we use 7x plus 3 over 2x plus 3, its differentiation will be 15 over 2x plus 3 perfect squared. It's okay. But using this value, expressing x over 2x plus 3 in terms of u will be a little bit complex. So what we can do? Let's substitute u equal x over 2x plus 3. Differentiation of the x over 2x plus 3 equals 3 over 2x plus 3 perfect squared. Using this u value, we can express the 7x plus 3 over 2x plus 3 value in terms of u. Clear? So, we have now substitution value. Let's substitute u equals x over 2x plus 3. Then differentiation of the respect to x. Differentiation of the u value equals du over dx. Differentiation of the x over 2x plus 3 value. First one, denominator value 2x plus 3 into differentiation of the numerator value. Differentiation of the numerator value equals 1 minus numerator value x into differentiation of the denominator value. It is equal 2 into 1 plus 0. Whole thing divided by denominator value perfect squared. Denominator value perfect square equals 2x plus 3 perfect squared. After that, we can simplify numerator value. First one, 2x plus 3 minus 2x. We can cancel out positive 2x and negative 2x and get the result 3 in the numerator. After that, we can cross multiply denominator value dx and we can subject dx as 2x plus 3 perfect squared over 3 into du. Let's move to integration part. Instead of dx value, we can substitute 2x plus 3 perfect squared over 3 into du value. After that, we can cancel out numerator value 2x plus 3 perfect squared value. For denominator value 2x plus 3 cube. Denominator value 3 is a constant, so we can bring 1 over 3 outside of the integral. Now we need to express 7x plus 3 over 2x plus 3 value from u terms. So numerator value 7x plus 3 we can write as 2x plus 3 plus 5x. After that, we can divide 2x plus 3 and 5x terms separately. Then we can cancel out numerator value 2x plus 3 and denominator value 2x plus 3. Get the result 1. 5x over 2x plus 3 value we can write as 5 into x over 2x plus 3. Instead of x over 2x plus 3 value, we can substitute u. Then we have 1 plus 5u. Instead of x over 2x plus 3 value, we can substitute u. Instead of 7x plus 3 over 2x plus 3 value, we can substitute 5u plus 1. To simplify this integral, we can use integration by parts method. We can give priority for sin phi u plus 1. Integral of sin phi u plus 1 equals minus cos phi u plus 1 over 5. We can write u term as it is. Now minus integral minus cos phi u plus 1 over 5 into differentiation of the u value. Differentiation of the u value equals 1. Denominator value 5 is a constant. So we can bring 1 over 5 value outside of the integral. Numerator value minus 1 is a constant. Minus into minus sign we can write as plus sign. Now 1 over 5 value we can get as a common factor. Now we need to get integral of cos phi u plus 1. Integral of cos phi u plus 1 we can write as sin phi u plus 1 over 5. Then we can multiply these terms from 1 over 15 value. Now we can write minus 1 over 15 cos phi u plus 1 into u plus 1 over 15 sin phi u plus 1 over 5. After that, instead of u value, we can substitute x over 2x plus 3. Then we can get the final result as minus cos 5x over 2x plus 3 plus 1 into x over 2x plus 3 whole then divided by 15 sin 5x over 2x plus 3 plus 1 whole thing divided by 15 into 5 value 75.